Hello guys, how you all doing? Hope you all are doing great. Thank you so much for all my subscribers. One thing I'm going to advise people from my own experiences: when you want to go and dance with somebody, please make it genuinely. When you go into the video, thumbs up first, watch the video to 3 minutes, 2 minutes, then subscribe, then leave your comment. Some people will go to my video, they didn't even watch it, they thumbs up, they leave a comment, and the thing didn't come true. I've got a lot of people like that, and I keep telling them go and redo it again, because normally when you subscribe to somebody, you will get it from your email, or you will see the list of your subscribers, the people subscribe to you on that day. And some people names, most people I go to subscribe with, some of their names didn't come up on my subscription list, which is not fair. Okay guys, today I'm cooking our native Nigerian banga soup. I'm using fresh salmon and mackerel fish. I'm using my beef here and my few chicken. Yeah, and this is the crayfish, this is the iru, locust beans. This is another kind of crayfish I've already blended. And this is the banga paste, the pankane paste. I brought it out of the tin. And this is blended bitter leaf, blended rosemary, blended tomato, fresh pepper, fresh tomatoes, garlic, ginger, and onions. So I like when I cook my banga soup, I want it to be a little bit of bitter, so that when you taste it, you hear that bitterness of bitter leaf. So this is bitter leaf. Next time when I want to cook banga soup, I can still use basil leaf to cook my bitter leaf. I can use what is it called? Coriander leaf, or peppermint leaf, mint leaf. It's very, very nice. Like that scenty leaf back home, because we don't see scenty leaf that much. So I now sometimes use mint leaf to cook my banga soup, or mint leaf to cook pepper soup. So this is the saucepan on the fire. I'm gonna tip in my meat in there. Then onions and everything is already there. Then I'm gonna tip in this one. They will all cook together. They will cook together. This is how I cook my banga soup. This is the banga soup. The meat will cook. There's pepper in there. So this one will go in there. The banga paste, the pan nut fruits. If it's back home, you have to cook the pankane, you have to pound it, you have to wash it with water. But these days, I'm using the tin one. Okay, guys. So there are various ways you can cook it. You can cook the meat separate first, make your meat done, then use the stock from the meat and put the banga. But this is the way I'm gonna cook mine today. There are so many ways you can cook banga soup. Guys, this is the banga soup, yeah? So the meat gonna cook with it all together with the bitter leaf. Okay? I hope everybody is keeping well. Thank you for all my fans. Thank you for genuine people who have subscribed, because some people will tell you I've subscribed, go and subscribe, and I'm not seeing their name on my subscription list. They didn't subscribe. I have people like that, 2 people like that, or 3 or 4 problems like that with some people. I go there and subscribe. They only go there and leave comments, and they didn't subscribe. The thing didn't come up. If you subscribe genuinely to me, you will be in the list of my subscription box. I will see your email from Google. Or if that one didn't come, then I will see you. You will come up automatically on my subscription box list that you subscribe to me. So thank you guys for all that have given trouble to go and subscribe, and they didn't do it well, and they went back and did it. This guy from Jamaica, thank you. Cornwall, thank you so much. Thank you, everybody. So as this one is cooking, the banga soup, then I will put this one when it is cooked before I will put the crayfish and this is another kind of crayfish. I blend it. Then before I put the locust beans, then before I put my Maggi. Okay, guys, before I put in, this will go last, about 5 minutes before the soup will finalize. That is when I will put this fish, because I don't want to be turning the fish, and the fish will go broken. No, I want to enjoy my fish. So this fish will go last at the dying minutes. That's when I'm gonna bang it in. So this is the banga soup. It's steeping. I'm gonna cover it so that I can simmer quickly. So guys, thank you so much for my subscribers. Keep safe and keep watching. Give this video a thumbs up and leave your genuine comments. And tell me, you know, some people say, I like some people comment. Some of their comment is very, very useful, encouraging, empowering. You know, there's like 2 people there who has told me, when you are videoing, make it landscape. Guys, I'm still learning. I haven't got all the equipment yet. I'm still using my phone. So hopefully I will improve soon. Okay, guys? Because of this lockdown, stores are not open for me to go and get all my gadgets right. But for now, I'll be managing these gadgets. Okay, guys? So take care. And I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And keep safe. And thank you. Keep subscribing. And thank you so much for your massive support. Without you guys, my channel wouldn't have grown today. Because of your support, cannot do it alone. So keep supporting me, keep subscribing, and leave your genuine comments. And you see, it's bubbling. It's making putu 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 putu. So guys, I cover it. I like this. I like to cook my banga soup with bitter leaf. It's very fantastical, very yummy, very deliciously. Okay, guys, I'll leave you here. And play safe and take care and bye.